Hey guys, here's your quiz for sections 1, 3, 4, and 5. In this first part, really very simple. We're going to simplify the expression. Make sure you combine like terms, okay? And make sure you pay attention to the signs. So this would be like a -8 plus 3. All right, and those are both like terms. I also want to point out to you to maybe make sure that you underline your like terms, and make sure you're combining people who are the same. Also remember, anytime you have a letter by himself, there's really a 1 in front of it. Okay? Same way like in number 3, I would put I'd be a -1x and a -1x there. And again, underline, circle, square, whatever the ones that are the same, combine those and then just rewrite them together. You're not going to have like a 1 numbered answer when you simplify these. Okay? So that's 1 through 6. On 7 through 12, I'm going to cross out number 12. You do not have to do it. I'll let you off the hook. Alright, I do want to remind you that when you have a number outside parentheses, you need to distribute or multiply him. Alright, and really there's a -1 here, so we take -1 times x and -1 times 3. Make sure you distribute that guy there. Okay. On this problem, to get rid of the fraction, multiply everything by 4. Everything by 4. And then you've got a new equation to solve. Okay? So that is 7 through 11. Okay, on the next section, you just have to do 13 and 14. Okay? Just 13 and 14. So on 13 and 14, you just got to rearrange the formula. Alright? So in number 13, you're solving for b, which means you need to get rid of a and c. Alright, those are positive variables, so all you got to do is subtract each one over. And in number 14, you're going to solve for L. L is right here. I want to remind you that you could maybe subtract this whole group over first with S, and then to get rid of these two guys, these are all being multiplied by L. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Alright, and you could take care of both the pi and the r at the exact same time. Make sure you simplify your answer. 17, I'm going to throw into you as a bonus. If you get it right, I will give you 1 bonus point. Alright, that's the end of your quiz. Good luck. Have a great day.